What's up, replayers? Welcome to the early morning scope. We are long. Troy, what's up? What's up? I just emailed you. Ariel, how are you? Benson's Paul, what up? What up? So, guys, how is everybody? Just wanted to update you guys. What's up? What up? What up? So, guys, in terms of orders, we have a few international orders that have been having issues. I'm going to get those ironed out tonight. And Brennis, what's up? You can see we are hovering around this SIG level. Jean, how are you? Good evening, good evening. And I'm wondering what is going to happen. The German markets have opened. Texts have not gone out. I sent you an email to confirm your number. So check your email, make sure you get that confirmation to me. I just want to make sure that we're not sending the text to the wrong number. So fairly quiet right now, so I'm hoping that we're going to get some volatility in the market. Canal, how are you? Chris Ferris, what's up? What's up? I'm hoping we get a pop right here going north, guys. You see this? Oh, I like that. Ah ha ha, I like that. Come on, baby. So, if you guys are new to the room, my name is Jay Salvati. I'm the #1 Forex trader in the world. We are watching my algorithm, nicknamed FX Prime, kill the euro right now. If you guys are new to Forex, if this looks totally foreign to you, that's not a big deal. You can drop in the room. You can follow my scopes. You'll learn more about Forex in 1 week than most mentors could teach you in years. How is everybody tonight? Anybody long this trade right now? So, Devin, how are you? Guys, we are currently long. Ruth, how are you? Aran, I'm still working on that issue, buddy. My tech is asleep right now. It's 2 a.m. We've been long from 14:05. We've been long from 14:05. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 what's up, y'all? Who's playing the markets tonight? Dezidna, how are you? Anyone in the markets? Anyone in the markets? Yes, Aran. Been a buy since 14:05. Yeah. These yellow lines are called the SIG levels. Sorry, I do not speak Spanish. Intro reading, babypips.com. Standard or mini lots? What, for myself? I can't make a recommendation for you. I'm dealing with multiple lots. I can't tell you how many because that would detract from my strategy. So, guys, emails will be going out for you to confirm your number. Yes, babypips.com. Very good source for the basics, the so-called basics. I can evolve you. Cool name. Cool name. Chosen words. How are you? You'll be getting a confirmation email. I have no idea what that means. Sorry, bud. How is everybody tonight? What's popping? Who is long? Who is short? Who is sitting on their hands? Yes, Euro USD 1 hour chart. Yeah, there's going to be an email to confirm your mobile phone number as well. Cool. So, I'd like to get a pop. I'd like to get a pop or two. I'd like to pop through this fib level, this sexy little fib level. What's going on here? Got multiple videos playing here. I'd like to get a pop through this sexy little fib level at 14.15. Yes, the weekly goal is everything. Everything possible. 14.05. But yeah, did you 14.05? Did you confirm the mobile phone number? Just make sure you just get back to me via email. What's your target? I don't deal with targets and stops because I have an algorithm that calculates things on the fly much faster than a human could ever do the calculations. So the algorithm takes more into consideration than a human can. Martin Finest, what is up? Well guys, if this is your first time in the room, my name is Jay Salvati, aka the #1 Forex trader in the world. We are watching the infamous FX Prime algorithm take pips from the market with precision on a daily basis. And we might get some order flow coming in the next 2 minutes. John Lopez 64, what's up, buddy? As much as you want, it depends on your lot size. How much do you make? If you hop in the room, you'll see how many pips we make, and then you can use your imagination. You're only limited by the lot size that you take when you make as many pips as we're making. I usually get out before the turns. No, I usually wait for the algorithm. Martin Finest, it depends on how much leverage you want to take on. Yes, there will be training in the beta. I'm working on videos right now. Currently editing videos right now. Currently working on some videos for you guys right now. As soon as I get off this scope, I'm going to check my email, send a few email confirmations out to make sure everybody's phone number is correct. Cool. The videos are not up yet. The videos are not up yet. Yes, Frankfurt and Tokyo. Please what? Is market profile good for this? I don't necessarily use a market profile. There are other indicators. It's not completely automated. Yes, I did go to college. Is it free? The beta has a 7-day free trial. You can email me at info@fitbusinessman.com if you're interested. info@fitbusinessman.com. I studied medicine and exercise science. Ash, what up? Welcome to the room, guys. Welcome to the room. We have breached this fib level, but the fib has been containing the price. We've been getting a lot of retracement. John, all you have to do is follow the trades that trend, that Prime is going to be sending your phone, buddy. Ash, I thought there was a lot of wannabe traders on here. Does it work on non-US euro pairs? Yeah, it works on any currency pairs. However, the euro is very, very good in terms of liquidity right now, in terms of volatility. Oh, cool, Ash. Well, thanks for jumping in the room. I appreciate the compliment. Adrian, what's up? What's up? Lots of you regulars popping in the room. Thank you. I appreciate that. Very cool. Very cool. So we've been long from 1405, waiting for this fib to be breached on a close. Don't worry, you'll never feel prepared. That's the whole point of following along in the algorithm's footsteps as the algorithm takes the trades. I don't like dealing with exotics because of the spreads. Good morning. I didn't see that last question. It disappeared a little too quick. But you guys that are going to be members, there are going to be videos uploaded starting tomorrow. I've got 2 videos that are going up tomorrow that are going to be pertinent for you guys as beginners. Beta, what up? What up? Sam Sue. You can get text alerts. We have a beta notification system right now called FX Prime. It will send you text message based alerts of when the algorithm takes long and short positions. This is the 1 hour chart, Euro USD. If you're interested in getting involved with that beta, you can email me, info@fitbusinessman.com. info@fitbusinessman.com. Martin, I do not use a stop loss when I'm using the algorithm. How do you have your fib set up? The fib is from 2 weeks ago. The Friday high and close from 2 weeks ago. And it's been holding, and the orange lines are specific to the algorithm. Those are called sig lines or sig levels. Those are specific to the algorithm. Yeah, it's been a slow day ever since about noontime, guys. There hasn't been a lot of volatility. So it's about taking every possible pip from the market, but it's taken me 8 years to develop, so there will be no small hints. It's intellectual property at this point. I haven't looked at gold in quite a while, Ash. Right now I'd like to focus on this guy, but not a lot of force in the market. No, actually the algorithm has positioned ahead of the news every single instance thus far, including FOMC, and won those trades, which is pretty amazing. It's a proprietary algorithm. But the platform is TOS. So this 1410 level is what's called a SIG level. It's where a lot of the price has been aggregating. And so we would switch positions at this point. We may switch and go back long, but this is part of how the algorithm works. The algorithm switches positions frequently when other orders aggregate around certain levels. The endpoints. Yeah, let me see if I can zoom out. So 1334 is the 0. And 100 is 1437. So now we would switch back and go long. Do you know what percentage of trades win after the spread? Well, to be honest, we haven't taken a loss yet. Outside of the positions that are being switched by the algorithm, there has not been a loss. So when the algorithm switches, we do have, 2 pips here, 2 pips there that get lost. However, I don't really care about that because we've been averaging over 100 pips a day. And the idea is that when we hit these levels, the price action becomes erratic because there is a battle between the buyers and the sellers, and the algorithm can determine that. Yes. I mean, the lot size is irrelevant. If we take 100 pips a day, 100 pips, it's 100 pips a day, no matter what your lot size is. I'm trying to figure out what happened to my music here. What's going on? But today we were up 210 pips today. And 90 of those pips were before 6 a.m. 90 of those pips were before 6 a.m. this morning. So Monday was a great day in terms of volatility. Monday was a spectacular day to profit in the market in the Euro USD. But coming up, yes sir, what is up? This is the Euro USD. This is the 1 hourly chart, or the 1 hour chart, not hourly chart. And what you're watching is my proprietary algorithm, FX Prime, take some pips out of the market. Nice, Young. You don't see anybody doing Forex? You're the second person that said that tonight. That's a shame. That's a shame. Yeah, both of you. How did you guys find me? Do you think a beginner can make 97 plus in their first week using this? Absolutely. Absolutely. If you trade a mini lot, you'll make 97. You would have made twice that today on a mini lot. Oh, cool. Well, thanks for hopping in the room. I do not. I personally like TOS because I've used it for so long. Oh, very cool. Very cool. It's nice to see that I'm popping up in the search engine rankings. However, Thinkorswim. Man, now I will tell you guys this. All right, there's a lot of suppressed volatility in the market right now. Standard lot, you're controlling 100,000 units. Cool. Yeah, I haven't looked at gold. I've been playing the euro because the volatility is just amazing. The liquidity and the volatility in the euro right now is just amazing. And I will tell you this, guys. If you go on, I want to show you guys an article. A very important article, actually. One standard lot. I said 100,000 units is one standard lot. Not so much tired as just relaxed. Very relaxed. It's been a very busy day. You know, some of the transactions got declined, so I'm dealing with a lot of the technical aspects of the onboarding for Prime. Yeah, there's no emotion here, especially since I have an algorithm. Now, if you guys look...
Volatility is not to be feared. Volatility is to be harnessed to hedge risk, diversify, and generate income.
I feel like putting my fist through the computer screen when Bloomberg plays those fucking videos. There's no reason for a news site to be auto-playing videos. So as you scroll, it plays the videos. I hate that shit. I will tell you this. If you look at Bloomberg, guys, I want you to read this article because this article lets you know exactly how much volatility is not priced into the market right now according to VIX. If you guys read this article. So basically it talks about how the VIX is moving lower, but demand for out-of-the-money puts, which of course is the curve, all right? So the volatility curve right now is being skewed. The yellow lines are what are called SIG levels, which are specific to the algorithm. The vertical lines are also specific to the algorithm. So essentially, if you guys are new to this room, today I basically opened up a beta membership to FX Prime to get the alerts from the algorithm as it takes long and short positions. And it's going to be a 7-day trial for free, and then from there it rolls into $97 a month to continue. So if you guys are interested in that, it's invitation only, and the way that you would get invited is you send me an email to info@fitbusinessman.com just with your first and last name and your Periscope handle, so I know exactly who I'm talking to, and just like a 1-paragraph introduction for your trading history, just so I can kind of see if you know there needs to be more information for you put into the back end, so it kind of helps me gauge exactly what type of information and content I'm creating for the members that join, and also it gives me an idea as to whether the algorithm will be a good fit for you. Like a lot of people that are just complete newbies that don't even know what a pip is, like I usually turn them down unless they've demonstrated that they're actively studying. because the reputation with the algorithm is something that I really, really look after. Especially because it's very powerful. I don't like when people, come into the room and I really look at criticism in one of two ways. If it's intelligent criticism, I urge it. I think it's healthy. If it's what I call unintelligent criticism, and it's just criticism for criticism's sake, I usually just block those people. Troy, did you check my email? Did you get that email? So you guys see how this fib level is really, really containing the price. Cool. Yeah, I mean, if you've been in the market, you know how to set up a broker account, and you have basic stuff down like that, then yeah, you're on your way. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna look into it. It's very odd. Some of the yeah, I just got the message that your card got it's not your card. It's something in the back end, but I can't pinpoint what it is right now. So I need my server tech to look at it, because it's not the type of card, and it's not the region where people are from, because every type of card has gone through so far. And at first I thought it was internationals, so international people that were trying to sign up, I thought they were getting declined, but we had someone that was international that went through. So I'll pinpoint it at one point. Yeah, just give me a couple hours, because my server tech's not going to be up for at least 4 or 5 hours. Yeah. Well, that's part of the reason why I'm offering the alert system, because you get a lot of young guys that are ambitious, right? They're young, they're ambitious, they want to get into the market. And what a lot of guys don't understand, and gals don't understand, is that once you lose money, you don't get it back. And for most people, it's harder to make the money than it is to lose it. In that case, your best bet is to consistently study, still study every single day. I mean, this is the Olympics of business right here. Okay, this is the Olympics of business. If you think that you can go into this without training, you're going to get beat bad. But if you can tag along with a knowledgeable trader that's making money, that's the quickest way to learn. Yeah, if you still have doubts about your trading methodology, if you go into a position not knowing anything about it, whether it will work or not, it will never be as disruptive. There's too much liquidity in the currency markets. There's $5.5 trillion of liquidity in the currency markets. So if I had 1 million members, it still wouldn't move the market. Yeah, definitely. Emotions are one of the worst things, but if you can tag along with a trader, if you're getting alerts from an algorithm or from a trader that's winning, it's one of the quickest ways for people to learn, because it takes away the stress, and they get to kind of see, well, why is it going wrong here, and then in that process they'll become winning traders even from a very young age. Playing on tilt, interesting. Yeah, I've heard I've heard of full tilt before. I've dabbled with some poker, but I wouldn't call myself a great poker player just because the extent of poker I've played has been digital. But I enjoy it quite a bit. I enjoy it quite a bit. Texas Hold'em in particular. So you see how this position now is starting to break through. You know, I'd like to see us go through this 1420 level because, I'm sorry, I didn't see that comments. This 1420 level, if we broke through it, then, well, as I'm saying, it's happening. You know, it's kind of solidifies that the Fibonacci is not going to contain the price, but there's been a lot of price retracement. There's been very little trending in this market. The trends likely occur after 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. when we have all three markets open. And what I mean by that, all three markets open, I mean the U.S. market coming to join in on the parade from London. When that occurs, there's usually a lot of liquidity happening. There's a lot of positioning taking place. And the price movement tends to be more trending in nature. You know, I come on various times throughout the day, usually 1 hour. I'm usually on for about an hour. I'll give away some trades. You can ask the guys that are the regulars in the room. I mean, we haven't had a single losing trade yet, believe it or not. We've had a lot of those little switches at the SIG levels, but I can tell you exactly where those switches will occur. So it's not like we're dealing with something that's like, you know, a guessing game. Alright, so we've eclipsed this 1420. So most, as I was saying, guys, most of the liquidity we're seeing is coming when Frankfurt, London, and New York are all open. All right, we have three very large markets trading. Ash, no problem, man. Thank you for jumping in the room. Like I said, if you're interested in taking the alert system for a spin, just email me, info@fitbusinessman.com. Just give me a quick background. Everybody that's on this scope, they can attest to the fact that we make money every single time that we're on here. I'm not just saying that to bullshit you. You can go back on my catch.me account and see all the trades that we took. Every single one of the trades that we took is on video, still up. One of the days where, you know, what was it? Yesterday's scope on catch is still there, where we caught about 200 pips on tape. On video, we caught about 200 pips, so you can drop by and see that. I think I caught the end of it though, but you'll see me take at least, I think it was at least 60 or 70 of the pips right on video, right on the scope, calling the trade as it occurred. Just pretty much like what we're doing right here, you know. The only difference is that this trade's moving a lot slower because we only have two markets open, so you know, that's the way it rolls. Once London opens in 6 minutes, we're going to get some more liquidity. My moniker across every social network is Fit Businessman. So Fit Businessman, one word. You can find me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, Blab, whatever. So in 5 minutes, guys, London opens in 5 minutes. And when London opens, we may get a spike either way here. When the London markets open, they have orders to execute as soon as the open occurs. So we're likely to see some volatility. But anyways, guys, thank you for hopping in the room. I'm gonna actually get offline because I got a little bit of work to get done, and it's gonna be another long night for me because I'm checking on a lot of the members that did join FX Prime. I'm making sure that their onboarding process goes smoothly. But take note, in about 4 minutes, when London opens, the volatility could pop. So right now we're up, I don't know, 13 pips, but sometimes you just gotta get out of the market. But I might stay in. Brenna is young. What's up? Thank you. Appreciate it. Chosen words. Thank you. Yeah, it's about midnight by you on the West Coast, right? Will we get text tonight or wait till the morning? In the morning, because, well, did you get back to me on the email confirmation for your cell phone number? Cool. Yeah. So the system, I'm just gonna double check on everything, make sure the number's correct. Yeah, midnight. But likely I will pull another all-nighter tonight, and I'll send out a few alerts to you guys. Alright, I'll send out a few alerts to you guys in the morning that already joined. I mean, you can see right now we're making pips here. Yeah, those power naps are gonna have to, that's gonna be a reality for me, that's for damn sure. Alright, so you see the anticipation with the London Open. You see how this candle is growing already. Oh, fuck it. I'm gonna stay online for another 3 minutes. We might as well see what happens when London opens. Stayed on this long, another 3 minutes should be. It's a given. It's a given. Psych. All those guys who left. It's okay. See if I can. Can you guys do me a favor? If you guys, there's you 6 guys in the room, can you just invite some followers real quick? If you could do that, that would be awesome. Thank you guys. Appreciate that. Alright, so let's see what happens when London opens, if this does in fact drive a little volatility in the market. Ladies of the night. That's hilarious. It's like a slow night. But it could pop. It could give the pop. Alright. There we have it. Not a pop, but a possible reversal here. So we'll monitor this. So the idea is that when we do reverse positions, and this would be considered another sig level here, we're okay with losing 2 pips, 2 pips, 2 pips, because we would go from long to short. But then when it breaks through, we get a breakout, usually of, at least 20 to 30 pips. So at this point we'll be long. Jesse, how are you? And welcome to the room. Yeah, guys, this is a slow trade. I don't know. I'm not impressed with the move right now, but Prime is still technically long here. So we would stay long until Prime goes shorts. Alright guys, I'm going to head offline. Thanks for popping in the room tonight. I'm going to see you guys on an early morning scope, okay? I'm going to get some work done. You guys keep killing it. Protect yourself. Protect yourself in the market, y'all. Alright, so this is the Frankfurt and London session. Let's see if we can get some moves. Let's see if we can get some moves. I'll probably pop back on and show you guys if there's a crazy pop here. Maybe we get a double top at that 1437. But you never know. You never know. I just go according to what the algorithm says. That's about it. Alright guys, have a great night.